Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to connect your wireless headset to your MacBook. First, make sure your wireless headset is powered on. Most headsets have a button that you press and hold until the light starts blinking. This usually puts the headset in pairing mode. Now, let's get your MacBook ready to connect. On your MacBook, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and go to System Settings. Then find and click on Bluetooth in the sidebar. If Bluetooth isn't already on, just toggle the switch to turn it on. Your MacBook will start searching for nearby devices automatically. Look for your headset's name in the list of devices under Nearby Devices. Once you see it, click Connect next to its name. Depending on your headset, you might hear a beep or see a light change to confirm it's connected. If you want to check or tweak the audio settings, click the sound icon in the top right corner of your MacBook. And make sure your headset is selected as both the input and the output. And that's it. Your wireless headset is now connected to your MacBook. You're all set to enjoy music, video calls, or whatever you like. If you ever need to disconnect, just head back to the Bluetooth settings and click Disconnect.